Welcome back to another episode on the channel. It's been a while since I've uploaded, but it's really nice to be back. And as you can see from the title of this video, I went to Owen Sound. Me and my girlfriend Ali, we spent a couple days up there and we had a lot of fun. We had a lot of other plans that we ended up not being able to do, like we wanted to go skating, we wanted to go cross-country skiing, snowmobiling, but the weather just wasn't cold enough for us to do that. We planned to go to the YMCA, but it turns out that they didn't allow anyone from outside of Owen Sound to work out. So they referred us to this gym called Evolution Fitness, which turned out to be an awesome gym. We really enjoyed our time there. So shout out to them. If you're ever in Owen Sound, check it out. The first day we went, we didn't get any filming done, just because it was our first time there. The second day we trained legs, and then the last day we trained back and arms. So we took a little bit of videos and put some together for our leg day. So I hope you guys enjoy that, and then we'll take you through a little tour of what the gym looks like and what you'd expect to see if you wanted to go there. And then we'll take you through our back and arm day, a little bit of that, and then yeah, that's pretty much what this video will be, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So there's a little bit of our leg and deadlift day. So looking at the gym, right when you walk in, to your right, there's some cardio equipment, some bikes, some treadmills. We used it to warm up. You can obviously use it to do your cardio sessions there. When you go straight ahead and you look to your left, they have a couple machines. There's a calf raise machine, leg press, hamstring curl, leg extensions. So they got a lot of leg accessories. As you can see, there's a cable machine there, so you can do a lot of your pull exercises. A little bit farther down, they have some free weights there. You can do, your dumbbells. And then once you go into the next room, they have some upper body machines, bench press, a shoulder press, incline, plate loaded press, which is the first time we used that, so that was pretty cool. They had 2 deadlift platforms and they had bumper plates, which was pretty cool. And then they had their squat racks over there. Moving farther along, they had a big turf where you can do sled pushes or tire flips and that kind of thing. And then even farther back, I don't think I got a good video of it, but they had some calisthenic stuff there. So they had like a peg wall, they had a salmon ladder, if you've seen that from American Ninja Warrior. They had the rings where you can do pull-ups and a whole bunch of stuff that I can't do on there. So they had a little bit of everything, which I thought was super cool. If I had to say one thing, there's sometimes just like random equipment and random spots. I think it'd be really cool to have like all the machines in one side, and then the free weights in another section, and then the turf in the back. I think that would have been really cool to organize it that way. But other than that, it was amazing. Definitely one of the best gyms I've been to, just in terms of atmosphere and everything. So we really enjoyed it, and enjoy this little clip of our back and arm workout here. That's gonna wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, shout out to Evolution Fitness and Owen Sound, and yeah, I had a good time putting this video together, and I'm gonna try my best to upload a little bit more in the new year and make it a priority to pump out some content to you guys. I appreciate the support so far along the way, and there's a lot more to come this year, so stay tuned for that.